Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Johnson & Johnson step by step clearly. To invest in Johnson & Johnson, start by conducting thorough research on the company. Familiarize yourself with Johnson & Johnson's business model, product lines, and market position. Review the company's financial health by analyzing key metrics such as revenue growth, profit margins, and debt levels. Look for recent news about Johnson & Johnson to understand current market sentiment and potential risks. Set your investment goals, determining how much you wish to invest and your risk tolerance. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your needs, ensuring it offers access to the New York Stock Exchange where Johnson & Johnson trades. If you don't have an account, sign up with the brokerage and complete any necessary identity verification. Deposit the amount you plan to invest into your brokerage account. Search for Johnson & Johnson using its stock ticker symbol, which is Johnson & Johnson. Once you find the stock, review its current price and market trends. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase based on your budget and stock price. Place a market order if you want to buy at the current price, or a limit order if you wish to buy at a specific price. After confirming your order, monitor your investment's performance regularly. Consider setting up automatic alerts for significant changes in price or company news. Stay informed about the pharmaceutical and consumer goods sectors to better understand market dynamics. Evaluate your investment regularly and adjust your strategy as necessary to meet your financial goals. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized advice regarding your investment in Johnson & Johnson. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.